Alright guys, we've got a John Deere, it's model 700 grinder mixer. It is a 90 bushel mixer, holds about 5,300 pounds of shell corn at any given time. Mixer's got a 13-foot unloading auger. Crank works like it should, augers all run like they should. Hammer mill's in decent shape. Hammers have got a good edge or two left on them. There's nothing wrong with them, they'll last a long time. Comes with one screen on it. Mixer's in good shape, there's no rust on the main tank or the augers. Flip open the mineral box, see in the bottom of it. Auger flighting's pretty good, the bottom tray, I don't see any rust whatsoever on it. Over here, hydraulic run, unload or loading auger with the manual switch off over here. Has a spring assist and the lock to keep it where it's supposed to be. All the windows in the mixer are in good shape. There's no cracks, anything there. Come around front. Hydraulic lines look darn near new. 540 PTO. Dust collector's in good shape. Auger flighting and our loading auger's in decent shape. The flighting in the center mixing auger, good shape as well. And then both of the belly augers. Everything works like it should. Absolutely nothing wrong with the mixer whatsoever. We'll get it started here. We're going to show you it running, and then we'll be done. Just bump your hammer mill for a second. We're going to bump a hammer mill and then we're going to shut it. So there's the hammer mill running, no clanging.